Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You want to learn how I made this balloon gown with sweetheart neckline and that sleeve. Okay, so watch till the end. Alright, I'm going to show you how I did it. It's like a guide. Okay, so watch and learn. I used 6 yards of material for that thing you are seeing there. It's actually 6 yards of material. So for the inner part of the skirt, I'm going to do this like a line. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So it's I'm doing it like a line. It's like a triangle, alright? So it's like a triangle. Placing it like a triangle for the inner skirt, okay, not the balloon part. Alright, so see how I'm doing it as as a triangle. Alright, so this is how you do yours. So from the upper part, you remove your upper bodies, like that, from your shoulder to your waist, and then from there you mark where you want the gown to stop. So after marking it, you now take your tape and measure what you have, then use it and make a semicircle, alright, like a C. Okay, so that's your waist where you join your upper bodies, alright. So after doing it, you measure your waist. After measuring your waist, if it's your waist measurement divided by 2, you leave it there. But if it's not, you start from the beginning, that last from that upper part, and then maybe go up or down depending on what you got, until you get your exact waist measurement plus maybe 2 inches for zip allowance. So from that side, you measure from there to the down part, so that you'll be able to use it, and you'll be able to use it, you understand, and get a round measurement. Yes, a round measurement. So this is how I did my own. Alright, I remove my waist again, I remove my upper bodies, and then used it to get the length of the clothes. So this one is 40. That's what I'm using to do it. Alright, if I remove my upper bodies, it's 40. So I'll cut it out to show you. This is a semicircle, it's not a full circle skirt. Alright, it's a semicircle for the inner part. So I'm cutting it out now. I hope you understand what I've explained and what I've said. So for the bubble, this is folded into 2 first. Now I'm folding it again like this again, so that I will get 4. Alright, I don't know if you understand what I just did. Alright, before I folded it like a triangle, it was already folded into 2. Now I'm folding it again so that I will get 4. Alright, so that when I cut it, it will be a full circle, because I'm going to cut it 2. I'm going to cut 2 of this, so that I will be able to have a full bubble skirt, because I'm going to gather it very well. Alright, so from the lower part, I'm starting there, because that's where the second part of the triangle stopped, so that the length will be equal. Alright, yes, I didn't start from the initial beginning. I'm starting from where you are seeing me start. Then I'll do the same what I did for the inner one. That's the other flay. That's how I'm using to cut it. Okay, this is basically cutting a flay, like as if you want to sew a flay skirt. That's how it is. Alright, but you cut plenty of this other second one, so that the bubble will be big depending on how you want it. So I'm proceeding to cut it out. This is just what I did for the other front part. Alright, the difference is that this flay is if you open it, is a full circle. The other one is half circle, because I folded the other one into 2. I folded this one into 4. You can see how full it is. So for the sleeve, okay, this is like a full circle. Alright, I folded it into 4. So, and then I'm just going to measure my sleeve divided by 2. All right, that's what I'm using to do this, so that it will be full, and then I'll be able to gather it, and then I'll place it on the second one and do the same. This is for my sleeve. So this is how it looks like. All right, I'm going to place it like this to cut out the bigger one. So I've already cut out the bigger one. I just placed it on the triangle. All right, and I did it, and then I added like 4 inches down. Okay, so this is the strip. That's what I'm using for the hand. This is the sleeve, like 2 inches. All right, so this is the sleeve, this is the other peplum. So I want to just curve it like so, and then make this other part smaller. I don't know if you understand. Just watch what I'm doing. You will see how I'm cutting it, because I want this other part to be smaller. So in this video, I don't think I'm going to show you how I cut this. You should know how to cut this by now. This is just an off-shoulder bustier. That's what this is. And then this is the back. I've already cut it and put lining. I'm using the same fabric as the lining. All right, you can watch my previous videos. I have lots of video on off-shoulder bustier. So this is just how it is. I think this video is like a guide on how to do this. So this is the sewing part. All right, this is the sewing part. This is the flay. This is the A-line, the initial A-line that we cut. All right, this is the full skirt. So the A-line, that's the first one we cut, is under, while the fuller one is on top. So I place the fabric right side to right side. I'm going to gather the first one, that's the one on top, on the flay, the first one we cut. I don't know if you understand. So basically the fuller skirt is on top, okay, and then the first flay we cut is under, and they are facing right side to right side. And then I'm gathering the fuller skirt, the one we cut plenty pieces, the one we cut like 2. I'm gathering it. So I'm gathering it on top of the flay, the first one we cut. Okay, that's how I'm gathering it. And then it's the down part I'm gathering, not the waist part. So you can see how I'm gathering it. So for the sleeve, I've already turned it with lining for the sleeve. So I've cut out like this is like 1 inch. So the length is 10 inches and the width is 2 inches. Okay, so this is how I'm going to do it now. I will stitch it together, wrong side facing wrong side. Okay, I'm sewing this on the right side right now. All right, so the length is 10 inches and the width is 2 inches, so that when I fold it, it will be 1 inch on fold. So this is it. This is how it is. So for the sleeve, I've already turned it with lining. All right, for the big one and the small one, I've turned it with lining. All right, so I'm going to stitch them together. So for the sleeve, I will go in by 2 inches from the upper part, and then from the lower part I'll go in by 2 inches. This is where I'll gather my sleeve. All right, after that I'll place it. Okay, remove the 2 inches and then start sewing. See the way I'm placing this sleeve. All right, you place yours like this and sew, so that you'll be able to turn it like bias. All right. So you'll be gathering it as you are going, like so. You'll be gathering the flay as you are going, so that it will enter that space. Okay, so see how it looks like. We are going to turn it again. All right, I'm cutting out the excess. Remember, we sewed it on the wrong side, so we will turn this remaining strip like a bias. Okay, as you can see the way I'm doing it, turn it like a bias and then sew it. So this is how it looks like after sewing it like that. So this is how it looks like. So I'm attaching the sleeve. See the way I'm attaching the sleeve to the bodice, to the bustier. So you are going to attach it with the lining of the bustier like so. Please watch what I'm doing. Okay, this is how you will place it and then sew it. All right. So you use your pin to hold them very well. So after attaching the sleeve, this is how it looks like. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to join it together with the back. So you place the front together with the back, right side facing right side. We are going to divide our bust and waist by 4, but meanwhile this is how you are going to put the other hand. Okay, this is how you are going to put the other hand. I'll show you later, but let's arrange our bodies. So after joining it with measurement, I'm going to put this balloon dress. See the way I'm putting it. You know that we used our waist measurement to do it initially, so I'm just going to attach it. Okay, I opened it from the zip side, as you can see, and then I'm attaching it to the balloon dress like so. So this is how you fix the zip to the balloon dress. So I've already fixed the zip. Okay, I don't know why I did not video that side, but this is how the balloon gown is. So this is the front. So this video might not be for beginner sha. Okay, so you iron it very well so that it will be very fine.